Hey there, project management enthusiasts, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're using Jira for your project tasks, then today's tutorial is just for you. We're going to learn how to create goals in Jira, which is a fantastic technique to track your project, make measurable progress, and deliver results. By the end of this video, you'll be able to define, track, and report your project's progress accurately with Jira's goal feature. So let's get started. First things first, you need to ensure the goals feature is enabled in your project settings. If you're a Jira admin, just click your way to the Features section under your project settings. You may not notice the importance of this initially, but remember, you can't create goals if this feature isn't turned on. So that's our building block, the very start of this whole process. Once you've made sure the goals feature is up and running, let's start creating an actual goal. For this, navigate to your Atlassian home. And just to clarify, this is the main dashboard, not in any specific Jira project. From there, it's as simple as selecting Create and then Goal. It's like giving birth to your roadmap to success. When creating your goal, you will need to provide a descriptive name. This should clearly indicate what you want to achieve. Then you will have to assign an owner who will be responsible for this particular goal, and don't forget to set a target date. Remember, a goal without a deadline is just a wish. Now you've probably heard this motto. What gets measured gets managed. So we must set key results according to the well-known OKR objectives and key results framework. These key results are specific, measurable outcomes that will serve as a yardstick of progress. On the dedicated page of your goal, you can add key results with specific metrics, such as percentage, count, or currency, and set target values. It's literally your GPS telling you how far you've traveled on the road to your final destination. Next, to give life to your goal, you will have to link it to the actual Jira work elements, be it tasks, stories, or epics that will contribute to its progress. You can do this under the Projects or Linked Items tab on the goal page. Or you can just flip the process, and within a Jira issue, you can link it to an existing goal using the Goals field in the List View or Details panel. The real magic occurs in our final step, when we track and report progress. As you start ticking off the linked Jira tasks, your overarching goal gets updated automatically, essentially creating real-time visibility for all stakeholders. This is when you can sit back and watch all your planning translating into palpable results. And there you have it, you are now a wizard in goal setting in Jira. And remember, a well-defined goal makes the invisible visible and guides your team inching closer to that ever-elusive project finish line. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to click that like button if you found this video useful, and remember to subscribe for more project management training videos. Between you and Jira, there's virtually nothing stopping you from taking your project management skills to the next level. Happy goal setting, everyone!